हिंदू सनातन धर्म के परम गौरव, शिवत्व के प्रति अनुरक्त आप समस्त शिवार्चक भक्त भ्रमर, आज मैं इस वीडियो के माध्यम से रुद्राष्टकम का अंग्रेजी अनुवाद आप लोगों तक प्रेषित करना चाहता हूं, जिसके लिए मैं आप लोगों की कृपा प्रसाद का आकांक्षी हूं। द मोस्ट डेडिकेटेड devotees to Lord Shiva, today I am going to present Rudrashtakam translated into English. If any error takes place, I beg your pardon. I adore you, the Lord of the Northeast Quarter and the ruler of the whole universe, eternal bliss personified, the omnipresent and all-pervading Brahm manifest in the form of salvation and Vedas. I worship Lord Shiva, shining in his glory, devoid of material attributes, desireless, undifferentiated, all-pervading consciousness, having nothing to wrap excepting sky or overcasting the sky. I bow to the Supreme Lord, who is devoid of form, transcendent and extra-cosmic, beyond speech, knowledge, sense perception, terrible and root of Omkar, the ruler of Kailash, the devourer of the time spirit and the abode of virtues. I adore the all-merciful Shankar, who is profound and white-bodied as Himachal and radiant with the beauty of myriad cupids, whose head sparkles with lovely steam of Ganga, whose brow is adorned with crescent moon and neck is coiled with serpents, who has fabulous pendants hanging from his earlobe, and who has beautiful eyebrows and large eyes, who has a cheerful countenance and a blue speck on his throat, and who has lion skin around his waist and garland of skulls round his throat. I take my refuge in Bhavani's spouse, the Supreme Lord, who can be felt only through the emotion, who is Rudra formed, exalted, radiant, almighty, indivisible, unborn, and who has billions of a myriad sons, and uprooter of threefold Agnij, and having trident in his hand, beyond numbers, ever blessed, and bringing about destruction at the end of each round of creation, a source of perpetual delight, slayer of Tripur, consciousness and bliss personified, dispeller of delusion, O destroyer of Cupid, be propitious, my Lord, be propitious. So long as worldly people don't worship the lotus feet of Uma's Lord, there is no happiness, nor peace, nor cessation of suffering in their lives, either in this world or in the next. Therefore be propitious, my Lord. Neither I know yoga, nor jap, nor ritual, my Lord. I simply bow to you at all times and at every moment. O Shambhu, I pray, protect me, miserable and afflicted by sufferings attendant on old age and birth, death, Azam, O Lord Shambhu. This hymn of 8 verses was uttered by Brahman in order to appease Lord Har. Sri Shambhu is pleased with those men who devoutly recite it. That is end of this Rudrashtakam. Jai Sri Sitaram.